The world is pulsating due to energy. From urban operation to daily life, stable and reliable electricity is the cornerstone that supports modern civilization. Since 2008, ROOQ Electric has been dedicated to a great mission to connect the global energy future. After 16 years of hard work, we have grown into a high-tech enterprise with a registered capital of 108 million yuan and over 20 core patents. We have built a full chain ecosystem that integrates design, manufacturing, and service. In the modern production base, more than 30 scientific research elites are advancing side by side with intelligent equipment. We are well aware that excellence comes from an obsession with details. From every meticulously crafted craft to every solemn commitment to safety, we have forged a monument of quality through sweat and perseverance. The skill of producing 10,000 transformers annually ensures top-level reliability and stability of the products. We offer a full range of products and complete solutions, and specialize in tailoring them for special scenarios. Therefore, our presence is spread throughout the petrochemical, rail transit, municipal healthcare, and even the extremely demanding data center and aerospace fields. Our footprint covers more than 50 countries around the world, and we have built multiple benchmark projects in various places. ROOQ Electric has become a trusted partner. While developing, we never forget to give back to society. Looking ahead to the future, ROOQ Electric will continue to uphold the core concept of showcasing extraordinary quality, using innovation as the pen and craftsmanship as the ink, working hand in hand with global customers to jointly depict a smarter, greener, and more sustainable energy future. ROOQ Electric, connecting the world's energy future.